Hello everyone. Welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we will receive the Buddha's teaching on the 4 clear and definitive instructions on purity given to Ananda and sentient beings in the degenerate Dharma age. 1. Awakening to the true mind. Knowing the way home. After Manjusri Bodhisattva selected Avalokitesvara Bodhisattva's ear-root perfect penetration, Ananda and the Great Assembly achieved clarity in body and mind. They gained profound insight that both body and mind are illusory and completely awakened to the Buddha body and the great Nirva, the wonderful bright true mind. This is the core of Mahayana Buddhism. Only by deeply recognizing the wonderful bright true mind and one's own body and mind can one generate the body-mind. 2. Ananda's vow, to deliver sentient beings in the last age. With a mind perfectly clear, Ananda was filled with both sorrow and joy. Although he had not yet saved himself, he vowed to deliver the sentient beings of the final age. He bowed and requested the Buddha's instruction. How can sentient beings in the degenerate Dharma age, far removed from the Buddha's time and facing false teachers numerous as the sands of the Ganges, establish their Bodhima, place of practice, gather their minds to enter Samadhi, stay far from demonic affairs, and firmly establish the non-regressing body-mind? The Buddha praised Ananda's compassion for requesting the Dharma for sentient beings, benefiting those sinking in the final age. He then declared the threefold training, precepts, samadhi, and wisdom as the fundamental basis for practice. 3. The 4 clear and definitive instructions. The Buddha proclaimed 4 clear and definitive instructions on purity, which fundamentally sever the sins of lust, killing, stealing, and false speech. 1. Severing lust. If sentient beings in the 6 realms still possess the mind of lust, they will continue in the cycle of birth and death. If one cultivates samadhi hoping to escape the dusts of affliction, but the mind of lust is not eliminated, the dusts cannot be escaped. Even with wisdom and samadhi, if lust is not severed, one will inevitably fall into the demonic path. The highest grade becoming demon kings, the middle grade becoming demon subjects, and the lowest grade becoming demon maidens, all claiming to have achieved the unsurpassed way. In the degenerate Dharma age, such demonic people flourish, widely engaging in lust and greed, misleading sentient beings to fall into the pit of love views and lose the body path. Consequence: cultivating Chan, meditation, with the mind of lust is like steaming sand to make rice. It will never succeed even after hundreds of thousands of kalpa. Practicing with the root of lust causes rotation in the 3 evil paths, with no time for escape. Clear instruction: to realize nirva, one must sever lust in both body and mind. Without even the concept of severing remaining, then one can hope for Buddha body. This is the Tathagata's first clear and definitive instruction. To violate this is a teaching of Mara Papian. 2. Severing killing. If one does not sever killing, one cannot escape the dusts of affliction. Even with wisdom and samadhi, if the mind of killing is not eliminated, one will fall into the divine path, the highest grade becoming powerful ghosts, the middle grade yaksha, and the lowest grade akasa, all claiming the unsurpassed way. The Buddha permits monks to eat the 5 pure meats, which were magically transformed and possessed no life root. Eating the flesh of sentient beings is not a disciple of the Buddha. Consequence: those who greedily eat the flesh of sentient beings, even if their practice resembles samadhi, are all great kasas. When their retribution ends, they sink into the ocean of the suffering of birth and death. They are not the Buddha's disciples. Clear instruction: a true practitioner does not harm plants and trees, let alone consume flesh and blood. By neither eating nor wearing animal parts, one repays past debts and does not wander the 3 realms. This is the Tathagata's second clear and definitive instruction. To violate this is a teaching of Mara Papian. 3. Severing stealing. If one does not sever stealing, one cannot escape the dusts of affliction. Even with wisdom and samadhi, if the mind of stealing is not eliminated, one will fall into the heretical path. The highest grade becoming nature spirits, the middle grade goblins and ghouls, and the lowest grade evil people, all claiming to have attained the supramundane Dharma. In the degenerate Dharma age, these evil beings hide and deceive, confusing the ignorant and draining household wealth. Consequence: cultivating Chan without severing stealing is like pouring water into a leaky vessel, it will never be full. Clear instruction. A monk begging for food renounces greed, ensuring that they will pass through the 3 realms without returning. Burning lamps, burning fingers, or igniting incense before the Buddha image repays past debts instantly and forever departs from all outflows. This is the Tathagata's 3rd clear and definitive instruction. To violate this is a teaching of Mara Papian. 4. Severing false speech. Even if the first 3 practices are perfect, great false speech renders samadhi impure, leading to the demon of love views and the extinction of the Buddha seed. Claiming to have attained what one has not, or claiming to have realized what one has not, seeking to surpass the world-honored one, misleads the assembly into the Avicii hell. This is like cutting down a tala tree with a knife. The roots of virtue are forever lost. Consequence: false speech is like carving human excrement into sandalwood. No fragrance can be sought. If the ground of practice is untrue, the result will be circuitous. The hope for Buddha body is gone. Clear instruction. A true practitioner's bodhima is the straight mind. There is no falsehood, and they never claim the supramundane Dharma. Bodhisattvas and arhats manifest various forms, praising the Buddha vehicle and guiding the assembly into samadhi. They only reveal their true identity upon their final passing or as a dying instruction. This is the Tathagata's 4th clear and definitive instruction. To violate this is a teaching of Mara Papian. 5. Conclusion. The Buddha proclaimed these 4 clear and definitive instructions on purity to sever lust, killing, stealing, and false speech. Failure to adhere to them will inevitably result in becoming a demon, ghost, or evil being. Thank you.